So quilting is basically using a piece of wadding in between two layers of fabric, and it creates almost like a quilted cushioned effect onto fabric when you stitch into it. And you can get different thicknesses of this. This one I've actually separated, so I've made it slightly thinner, but you can have quite thick ones as well if you want to, and it's quite nice for little pockets or extra decoration and things, or especially for body adornment pieces that you can cut shapes out from. You always have to remember that it needs two pieces of fabric. So you have your wadding, and then you need a piece of the back. Okay, so I've just got a piece of cotton fabric there, and then your top layer. Now your top layer obviously can be any fabric. I've got a piece of silk that I've painted. So it's sandwiched together like that in 3 layers. So we've got the wadding, cotton and the silk. And I'm going to use some pins just to pin those 3 layers together, just so that I can start stitching, and then I can take the pins out once I've started. So I'm going to start a normal stitching on a straight stitch. So remember, when you put your fabric into the machine, press the presser foot must go down, so the lever just must go down. And then I'm going to press my foot on the pedal on the floor, and then just as I set off, I'm going to press the reverse stitch just to go back a little bit, and then let go. Then I can snip these ends off out of the way. Okay, and just go nice and slowly. So you can use this method of quilting just with normal stitching, with straight stitch. You could also use some of the decorative stitches or zigzag. Okay, so we just wanted to do quite a geometric pattern on the top with straight lines. I could just keep lifting up the pressed foot when I want to change direction. So when I come to the end, when I want to stop, I'm just going to press the reverse stitch, stop, lift up the presser foot, pull the fabric right out and snip off.